Welcome to class second students. Hello students. Yesterday we saw the question and answers of the lesson, the read book. Okay students, and today we are going to see the vocabulary question. But vocabulary question you have to find out the only names. I will show you the image. I will send you the image of these answers. But you have to find out only the name of the clothes. The names of the clothes. Okay, from this question. So find out only here jeans, frock, coat, scarf, skirt, sweater, t-shirt. Okay, only the clothes name you have to find out from this question and the color, the name of the clothes. Okay students, understand color, the name of the clothes. Okay students, so you solve this question. I will send you the answer. Okay. Now we will see the grammar topic, pronouns. Pronouns we have already learned because when I started this month syllabus, in this month first grammar topic I have already taught you what is pronouns. Pronouns, now you know very well about the pronouns. Okay students, understand? So read what Manu and his mother are saying. Note the words in color. Manu and mother, his mother. Ma, do you know Tara is leaving school? Who is Tara? She is in my class. We have lunch together. You can make a card for her. Who told? Ma told. Okay, Manu told. Ma, do you know Tara is leaving school? Manu told to her mother. Ma, do you know Tara is leaving school? मतलब माँ आपको पता है कि तारा स्कूल छोड़कर जा रही है. माँ पूछती है हु इज तारा, तारा कौन है. शी इज इन माई क्लास, तारा मेरे क्लास में. शी मतलब तारा. सो शी इज अ प्रोनाउन हियर. ओके, वी हैव लंच टुगेदर, हम रोज लंच साथ में करते हैं स्कूल में. ओके, यू कैन मेक अ कार्ड फॉर हर. मम्मी ने मनु को कहा कि तुम उसके लिए कार्ड बनाओ. यू किसके लिए था? मनु के लिए था. हर किसके लिए था? तारा के लिए था. शी किसके लिए था? शी वर्ड जो था वो तारा के लिए था. और वी किसके लिए था? वी वर्ड यूज्ड फॉर मनु एंड तारा. ओके, बिकॉज दे बोथ हैव लंच टुगेदर इन द क्लासरूम. Okay students, do you understand? So every time we are not calling the name, sometimes we use we word, she, you. Okay, this type of words are pronoun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the pronouns. And they, other words also you know very well. Okay, so the words in color are used in place of nouns. They are called pronouns. The pronouns you is used for the person or people we are talking to. We use the pronoun it for animals and things. Okay. So pronoun. Examples. I, he, she, we, her, they, it, us and you are some pronouns. Understand students? He, she, we, her, they, it, us and you are some pronouns. They are mentioned here. Okay, these words are mentioned here. Okay, she. Here are some more sentences with pronoun. She loves watching butterflies in garden. They are planning a picnic. You can make a poster. We will leave for the station at 10 o'clock. Okay, the monkey is sitting in the tree. It is eating a banana. Okay, so study this table to understand the different types of pronouns. So these are the sentences. What? Which sentences? Pronoun sentences. In these sentences, the already pronoun words are used. Okay, which are the words? Pronoun words she, they, you, we. These are the words of pronouns. Okay, study this table to understand the different types of pronouns. Singular pronouns. Singular pronouns. I have already taught you singular pronouns. Which are the singular we, you, I, you, he, she and it. Singular pronoun. Singular pronoun. Which are the singular pronouns? I, you, he, she, it. These words are used for single person, single animal. Okay, students. So, plural pronouns. Plural pronouns. Which are the plural pronouns? Plural pronouns are the we, you. I already explained you. You is used for single person also and for more than one person also. Okay. Then you, then they and they. Okay. Here is a chart of pronoun. Here is a chart of pronouns. Okay, students, understand? See, here is a chart of pronouns. So, try to understand this and read this table. Singular pronouns, I have already explained. Singular pronouns is used for single person, okay, single animal, okay, and single thing also. Plural pronouns, we, you, they, them. So, these are the plural pronouns. Plural pronouns are used for more than one person, one animal. Okay, students, do you understand? Now, read this chart and below that information there is a question. Rewrite these sentences replacing the underlined words with the correct pronouns. Choose from the brackets. Manav looked for his puppy everywhere. Manav is the name of a boy or a man. So Manav, instead of Manav we can write here he. Okay, so we can use he pronoun. First question. This is the first question. Manav looked for his puppy everywhere. Rewrite these sentences replacing the underlined words. Okay, that means we have to replace the word with the correct pronouns. Okay, and pronouns are given in the bracket. Okay, see, choose from the brackets. Correct pronouns, choose from the brackets. Manav looked for his puppy everywhere. For Manav we are using he word because Manav is a singular person and he is a boy. Okay, boy or a man. So for Manav we are using he pronoun. Okay, Neha and Suman are playing in the rain. Neha and Suman both are the, that means more than one. Okay, Neha and Suman, these are the names of the girls. Okay, so we can use for more than one person, we can use here two options are there, they. So they or we. So we are not using here we because include you is there, no. So we cannot use here we word. So we use here they. Okay, they are playing in the rain. Okay, students, understand? The teacher helped Pia and Tarun to write a story. For Pia and Tarun we are using here them pronoun. Okay, because teacher told them. Okay, teacher helped them. Teacher helped Pia and Tarun to write a story. That means the teacher helped them to write a story. Understand, students? Raghu baked a cake for the party. Raghu is the name of a man. Okay, man or a boy. So Raghu baked a cake for the party. So for Raghu we are using he pronoun. Okay, he baked a cake for the party. Tina was playing the piano. Tina is a girl. So we are using she pronoun for the girl. Singular. Okay. So Tina, that means she was playing the piano. Understand, students? Now turn the page. So from here the next part is going on. So we will stop here. Okay, students, do you understand? I have already explained about the pronoun. Next page we will see tomorrow. Okay, students, try to complete this. I will send you answers also. Okay, but try first you try and then see the answers. Okay, students, goodbye.